Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a video on gas, which was needed. All right, I know a lot of you are trading it from the Cilinix Crypto community and just in general. I mean, gas right now is traded a lot. I'm not sure what the volume is, but the volume used to be around. Well, what was the volume like? I mean, the volume was at $1.2 billion. It's now at 700 million again, as most of you know, or at least as most of you will assume. I mean, I say this a lot, and I know I say it a lot, but I cannot say anything else than gas is manipulated. All right, that's just the truth. If you take a look at where the volume is coming from, like 60% is coming from Bybit. That's usually a sign of manipulation. And then apart from that, I mean, tell me it's not manipulation when in a matter of 3 weeks, less even, the price goes up by 630% without any big news. And don't come at me with that news of some sort of a side chain from Neo. Because sure, that's good news, but that will not make the price of gas go up 630%. It doesn't. And you can also see, I mean, if you take a look at like the liquidations that gas is making, it's really hunting those liquidations. That would not happen if it's a normal bull run. Here you can see, like it when big liquidity pockets arrive or come to exist, you can see price just grabs that liquidity and then goes the other way. That just keeps happening. Right now the situation though is pretty interesting because there's basically liquidity at $17 and at $18. So the current situation for gas, first of all, is that it's bullish. It would be very stupid of me to say that gas is not bullish right now. But second of all, it's kind of in this very tight range where it basically has liquidity up here at 18.5 and 17. So just in the short term, I expect volatility. I expect a bit of a bounce. But ultimately, the big question is where's gas going? All right, because it seems to respect like 12.5, 17.5. Then the next level would be, even though 20 is here, the next level would be 22/22.5. All right, if you go off of those logics, here you can also see 7.5 was respected, 2.5 was respected. So it respects a lot. It respects a lot of psychological levels. So I would say right now the most likely scenario, first of all, for gas is that it will continue, but it's a bit difficult to say because of those weird liquidity areas. Like the liquidity areas were more clear earlier. Here you can see, like here it was very clear that it would go towards the liquidity and then reverse. So now there's basically as much liquidity on both sides. So that means that I would say we're just going to grab that liquidity up here, and this is the top, and we'll consolidate here. And then from this consolidation between then ultimately 18.5 and like 16.5, at some point of time we're either going to break above 18.5 and rally up to $22, or we're going to break down below 16.5 and drop back down towards 13.5 and 12.5. I'll have to say that that's the most likely scenario, even though if you consider the open interest, that's growing for gas. So it's gaining momentum, which makes me believe a bullish breakout up towards 20, let's say $20 as a first price target. And then depending on how it reacts to that, $22. I think that is the most likely scenario if we are assuming that we're going to get a breakout. But because of the weird liquidity here around gas, I think it's more likely that it will first just spike up a bit more, spike down, and consolidate here between 18.5 and 16.5. I hope that makes sense, all right? But it's difficult to analyze gas. And just in general, I want to end this video by saying that you should please stay away from gas if you do not have significant trading experience, all right? Because a lot of retail traders will lose money here. But those are my thoughts. That's my full analysis. If you do have any other questions, let me know down in the comments or join the Telegram group, whatever. Apart from that, I also have my own premium group and signals group. So if you want to become a better trader, which I guarantee you will, or if you want to make profits, signal group profits are transparent. It is profitable. Consider joining. Links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.